Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you step-by-step process for installing the Visual Studio IDE and set up it for running C++ code. So in browser, first you have to search Visual Studio Code. Here you can see first website, that is code.visualstudio.com. You have to click on that link. Now you get the options for Mac, Windows and Linux. You can download according to your system. Here I'll go for 64-bit. If you want to check yours, then I'll show you. Go to this PC and right click, then go to Properties. Here you see system type is 64-bit operating system. As downloading is completed, I'm going to open this. First you have to read and accept the agreement, then click on Next. I am moving as it is, but if you want, you can change path also. Click the checkbox if you want to create a folder in Start menu. Then you have to click Next. Here also, you can click whatever you want. I am just clicking everything, then click Next. And then click Install. We are done with Visual Studio installation. But we need compiler to compile our C++ code. I usually prefer MinGW compiler. Now in browser search for MinGW compiler and first link you found is sourceforge.net. I'm going to download from this link only. Here click on download and it will get started downloading. I'm going to open it and click on install. Then you have to click on continue. Now it will take some time. Again you have to click on continue. Here are some tools and packages you can select. I'm selecting all. You can select accordingly by reading its description. Now click on installation and apply changes. It will ask you OK to proceed. Then you have to click on apply. Again it will take some time. Once it is done, you can see all changes were successfully applied. Now you may close this. We need to set the path of MinGW compiler. In C drive, go to MinGW, then bin. Copy the path from here. Now search for edit the system environment variables. Then click Environment Variables. Now you can see user variables and system variables. We have to set our path in system variables. After selecting path, click on New, then paste the copied path of MinGW compiler. Now click OK. In Visual Studio, I'll open my project folder. Here I'm going to create a CPP file to run a Hello World program. First we need to install some extension. It will help you. Click here to find extensions. I'm going to install C++ extension. This will help you to show the recommendation while typing code. You don't need to type the whole. We need to install one more extension, that is Code Runner. This will help you to run the code directly. Now you can see I have written Hello World program. It runs successfully. Yeah, that's done. If you guys facing some problem while installing it, you can put it off in comment section. I'll surely help you. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.